Welcome to the Moodle Quiz Training Series video number 3B, creating a calculated multi-choice question. As we learned from the regular calculated questions, it's basically creating a math problem. When creating calculated multi-choice questions, you're essentially allowing the student to pick from a series of answers based off other calculations. Now, how do you create a calculated multi-choice question? You need to go to the question bank, select from the proper category, then click on the Create a New Question button. The question type we're going to create is a calculated multi-choice. Then click Next. The question name will only appear under the question banks in the Administrator view of Moodle. I like to name them by the number of which I entered. So this will be 02, period, space, and then the question title. Differences between integers. So the question text is what will appear in the quiz itself. And the question will be, what is the difference between A and B? And as you notice, the squiggly brackets are surrounding the letters. This lets Moodle know that these will become integers once we create a data set. We can change the default grade here. I'm going to keep it at 1. We can select one or multiple answers, and in this case, only be one answer. If I want to shuffle the choices, I can click on this. Now, if you have an option that says all the above or none of the above, you want to uncheck this. Now, the choice number 1 will be the correct formula. And it'll be A minus B, because a difference means subtraction. I'm going to choose 100%. I'm going to keep the answer displayed to 2 decimals. In the other choices, I'm going to enter in other formulas that will not give the correct answer. Choice 2, I'm going to enter in a plus. Choice 3, multiplication. And finally, choice 4, divide. Now I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click on Save Changes. I'm going to keep all the options here as they appear and click Next Page. Under the wildcards for A and B, I'm going to keep them as they are, and for the range of values, I'm going to do 1 to 20. And since I've changed this, I need to click on Update Dataset Parameters. Now I'm going to add data sets. So to test, I'm going to click on the Add button. And it should generate one set, which appears here. Now, that's only one set. Now, if you have lots of students in your course, you want to click and add as many up to 100 as you can. And that way, when one student or another next to that person goes to take the quiz, they may get a whole different set of values. So I'm going to click on 10 and click on Add. And then I'm going to display 10 at a time, just to double check to see if everything is working correctly. And it seems to be working. Click on Save Changes. In this video, I showed you how to create a calculated multi-choice question.